Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy contour and highlight to give you that glow up you've always dreamed of. But first, let me address a couple of questions that I get from my clients. Why should I contour and highlight? Is contour and highlight for me? How do I do it? In this tutorial, I'm going to demystify the contour and highlight techniques by teaching you how to add depth and dimension to the face, how to minimize certain features and highlight others to give you a gorgeous, beautiful glow. Once you've watched this video, you'll be able to take your daily makeup routine to the next level and have a better understanding of product placement and blending techniques. Here's what you need to get started. The 4-piece face perfecting kit, the Balm 185 blush brush, the Bronze Beauty Duo, powder illuminator, reflective finish powder, and the baked blush in rose gold. Okay, first step, we're gonna take the Bronze Beauty Duo and our medium-sized brush from our 4-piece face perfecting kit. I'm just dabbing this in. Tap off, and then apply just under the cheekbone here. And I start at the back of the cheek toward the ear and move forward, like so. Apply a little more of the product to your brush, and then just under the cheekbone here. And that'll be about center way where your ear is here. And then you'll just move that forward. There you go. I'm gonna take just a little bit more of the product on the brush and go right around the hairline. And a little more under the jawline here. Now I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to just blend all of this out. So smooth and natural. These brushes are amazing for blending as well. Love these. Next, I'm going to take the Bronze Beauty Duo again with the darker shade and use the extra small brush to contour down the sides of my nose. Here you want to start right here at the top of the nose and go down each side. Be sure you keep your brush on the skin. Smooth, even strokes. Then you can go in and continue blending if you feel like you need that. Blending is key. Next, I'm going to use the powder illuminator with my small brush from the 4-piece perfecting kit to apply to the top of my cheekbones, center of forehead, center of nose, cupid's bow, and center of chin. Just like that. And then apply right here to the top of the cheekbones. And you would apply this, the highlighter, where light would naturally hit your face. You want to get the tip of the nose down the bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, and then the center of the chin. And then the center of the forehead, which I go straight up and then kind of fan this out. So give you a beautiful, natural glow to the skin. And there we go. Next, I'm going to take the Baked Rose Gold Blush with the Balm 185 brush and apply to the apples of the cheek and blend it out and up toward the temples to add a little more color. And I just pat the brush onto the product. Apple of the cheek is here. So we're just gonna apply to the apple and blend back toward the ear and up and around the temple area. This gives you that real healthy glow. Last, I'm going to take the reflective finishing powder along with the large brush from the 4-piece perfecting kit and apply it all over to set my look. I'm just gonna load the brush with the powder, tap the brush, and then apply. If you have more of an oily skin, be sure to focus on the cheeks and the forehead. You want a glow, not a shine. And last, I wanted to add a pro tip for you guys. You can take your extra small brush from your face perfecting kit and then use the lighter shade in the Bronze Beauty Duo and sweep that over the eyelids to add a little more warmth and glow to the skin. So I'll take the small brush, the extra small brush with the light color in the Bronze Beauty Duo, tap the brush off, and just sweep it directly over the eyelid. See the difference from one side to the other? Kind of give you that sun-kissed look too. And there we have it. Now that you're ready to glow, I wanted to thank everyone for joining me for this tutorial today. All the products and tools are available at authenticbeautycosmetics.com. Don't forget to join me next week where I show you how to achieve the perfect red lip in minutes. Have a great day.